Hello, I'm Carlitzo and I'm happy to introduce the astrological cards and to explain a bit what you can do with them. There are 52 cards in the deck and each card has a special meaning that is connected to astrology. So you can see cards as the astrological signs: Cancer, Taurus, and of course all the 12 zodiac astrological signs. You have the planets and the celestial bodies of our solar system, like the Sun, the Moon, Venus, and Mars. And of course, many other celestial unique frequencies that are packed up in the little box for you to use daily. And what do we do with the cards? So, first thing is that you don't need to wait for your very urgent questions. The idea with the cards is that you can use them every day. So every day you can ask yourself, what is the guidance for me today? I shuffle the deck of cards. When I feel I'm done, I put the deck, I take my first card. This time it's Taurus, and I can either read in the booklet what it means or use my own intuition using the cards, colors, and symbols that talk to our subconscious. So I can say the Taurus means that today is the day of work. Today is the day to go at things, be stubborn, and really not to compromise. Do whatever is needed to be done. So this is my guidance for today. If I want, I can do some more elaborated readings. A good reading is a reading that asks about the past, present, and future. So if I have a question that I want a long-term view about, I can use the cards, for example, to talk about my relationship or my work or my relationship with my children. And in this case, I'm thinking about the subject and I'm picking out now 3 cards. Past would be close to me, present, and future. And in this case, I'm looking at each one of the cards to see the flow of what I've asked about. So in the past, I can see the dragon's head, which talks about lots of challenges and breakthroughs. In the present, there is balance, talking, working together. And in the future, lots of good changes represented by the card of Pluto. Now, if you do not know astrology, don't mind that. Your intuition will kick in and tell you a lot. And if not, there is a booklet that can explain everything you need to know. There is a page about each card, and they're really simple and nice to use. Now I'm going to teach you another reading. There are more readings in the booklet, so there are different options of using the cards. But the last reading for today is a 4-card reading. Now, if you can see, the back of the cards is in different colors. There are 4 different colors: yellow, green, blue, and pink. So in that case, I spread the cards and I choose one of each color: yellow, green, blue, and let's choose this pink one. Now the yellow one will tell me the territory I'm asking about. In astrology, we have 12 astrological houses, and these are 12 subjects, 12 territories of life. There is nothing that does not go into one of these 12 territories: love, money, relationships, children, work, vocation, health, everything you can think about. So this card tells me that now I need to focus about the very practical things of life, and my own balances, my own body, things that are very tangible and practical. So this is what the whole reading is about. The second card will tell me what do I need to use in order to bring these territories into balance, all these practical territories. And this card is the Sun, which talks about awareness. So I really need to be aware of all the practical details at this time. Virgo adds how to do it. And Virgo really talks about being practical, looking at the little things, looking at the little details, not missing any point. So it really helps me to understand the whole reading and what I need to do. Now, the last card, the pink card, is a card from the 12 astrological realms. What are the astrological realms? These are 12 developmental pathways that a person needs to take, things that we need to develop in our lives in order to make all of this possible. And this is the waterfall, which reminds me, in this case, to remain clean, to wash things, to clean things from my system, not to hold any grudges. So I am open to the messages that want to come today, to do things in a very clean fashion. In the booklet that comes with the cards, you can find various types of readings. And then you can see the many options of using the cards so they can really answer any question that you have. Now, last but not least, the astrological cards are not only for reading, they're also for healing and for meditation. And what does that mean? Let's say that I feel that it's really difficult for me to work on all the little details. I'm a bit messy and I can't focus right now. No problem. I'll take this card. It's not just for reading, it also brings the energy and the balance and the healing that goes with the Virgo constellation. So if I'm looking at it for 5 minutes, if I'm keeping it, you know, by my computer, somewhere I can see it during the day, its energy will really start to work on me and help me get more focused and more specific in the details. And of course, different cards can do different things. There's cards that can make you more vigorous, cards that can calm you, relax you, and you can use it for your own healing. You can use it daily, or you can use it if you're already a healer as a tool in a toolkit of the healer. So there are many options of using the cards. If you love astrology, you would really love the cards and their symbols and their pictures. But also, if you don't know anything about astrology, really don't worry. It's your intuition that will work, and there is lots of explanations that will help you make this a very daily, practical, beautiful, easy tool for you to use to make your life better.